I think I was fortunate that I left school when I did because it gave me the opportunity to fully dive into my business. Now, I'm not knocking, going to college. I think that's a great route for a lot of people. But for me, I knew that if I was going to pursue this and give it my 100%, I could not, be focused on school at the same time. I had to take it as a full-time job, and that allowed me to definitely make leaps and bounds with the business that I wouldn't have been able to do if I were still in college.
Abilene, Mark Albert, and Silverado are manufactured under the same roof with hundreds of different styles to choose from.
I mean, everybody has to have a pair of boots or shoes, right?
Abilene, Silverado, and Mark Albert all take pride in their handcrafted American-made boots.
I think my relationship with the employees is pretty unique because I'm definitely younger than they would probably expect to be kind of designing and doing product development, but we have a lot of fun. I'm always kind of cracking jokes and dancing and stuff, and I think that kind of lightens the mood, and so we have a good relationship.
It's all precise work, and you don't get that, other manufacturing jobs is just, yeah, it's just a line and it just keeps going. This here is all hands-on, very specific work.
The most important thing for me in my job is just making sure that we're always trying to pave a path forward for the factory. And so really, I mean, whether that's manufacturing work boots or Mark Albert boots or Western boots, I mean, my main focus is making sure that we have a future here in Somerset, PA, and just whatever it takes to make that happen. That's my biggest goal and biggest focus.